Hello, and welcome back to English Podcast Academy. It's so good to see you again. This video is made for you. Slow, simple, and easy to understand. Everything you'll hear today is designed for clear listening and natural speaking. So just relax, follow my voice, and repeat aloud. All right, let's begin our story. Today's story is called A Walk in the City. I leave my apartment early in the morning. I take a deep breath and feel the cool air. The streets are quiet and the sun is rising. I walk past small shops that are just opening. I stop by a cafe and order a cup of coffee. The smell of coffee makes me feel awake. I sit by the window and watch people walking by. I see a bus passing, children laughing, and people hurrying to work. I finish my drink, take my bag, and continue walking. I cross the street carefully and smile at the traffic guard. You're doing great. You've already made it halfway through this story, and that's something to be proud of. Most people never even start, but you did. You press play, you showed up, and you're here, repeating every word with focus and patience. That means you're already growing. Let's take a short breath together. Inhale slowly and exhale. Yes, just like that. You're learning and you're improving. All right, now let's continue with the other part of the story. This part will give you more confidence when you complete it. I walk slowly and look at the tall buildings. I see a bookstore and decide to go inside. I love the quiet sound of pages turning. I pick up a book and read a few lines. The story makes me smile. I buy the book and put it in my bag. Outside, the sun is higher and the city is full of life. Cars, bicycles, and people, everyone moving together. I take a deep breath and feel grateful for the day. You did great. Now, let's talk for a moment. Take a deep breath and let yourself feel what you've just done. You didn't just listen passively. You spoke, you moved your mouth, you trained your brain. That's real progress. Every time you do this, even for a few minutes, you're building something stronger inside you. A habit, a rhythm, a connection with the language. When you listen and repeat sentences like these every day, your brain begins to change in ways you can't always see, but you can definitely feel. You start recognizing the natural rhythm of English, the pauses, the tone, the flow. You start hearing patterns that were once invisible. Your mouth learns to move in new ways. Your tongue and lips become more flexible. Your breathing adjusts naturally to the pace of English speech. Slowly, your voice starts to sound clearer, smoother, and more confident. And even if you don't notice it right away, that improvement is happening quietly, step by step, every single day. Shadowing works because it connects your ears, your mind, and your voice. 3 parts of you working in harmony. You listen, you understand, and you speak, all at once. It's not about memorizing words or repeating mindlessly. It's about feeling the rhythm of the language, letting it flow through you. Think of it like music. You don't need to analyze every note to feel its emotion. You just listen, move with it, and let it become a part of you. That's what shadowing does. It lets English live inside you, not just in your memory, but in your instincts. The more you do it, the more English becomes part of your thoughts. You'll notice yourself thinking in English without trying. You'll start forming sentences faster, reacting naturally, and speaking with ease. That's the moment you'll realize English isn't something you study anymore. It's something you live. So keep going. Don't worry about perfection. Don't rush. The goal is not to finish fast, but to enjoy the process. Repeat daily. Listen carefully. Let your voice follow the words. You don't need long hours. You don't need pressure. Just a few minutes of focused listening and speaking each day can completely transform your English. It's not about doing more. It's about doing it regularly, with presence and attention. And remember this: you are not alone on this journey. Somewhere right now, thousands of learners around the world are doing the same thing as you, repeating, shadowing, growing. You are part of a community of people who believe in change, who believe in consistency, and who believe in themselves. Every word you speak is proof of your effort. Every sentence you repeat brings you closer to confidence, closer to fluency, and closer to the person you want to become. Be patient with yourself. Growth takes time, but it always comes. Even on days when you feel stuck, even when you think you're not improving, your brain is still working quietly in the background, connecting words, storing sounds, building fluency. One day you'll realize that what once felt impossible now feels easy, and that will be your moment of proof. I'm proud of you for showing up today, for taking time for yourself, for choosing to grow instead of staying still. You've already done something most people never do. You've practiced intentionally with focus and heart. Keep going, keep listening, keep repeating, and keep believing in yourself. Step by step, you are getting there. Your voice will grow stronger, your mind will become clearer, and your confidence will rise. English will become not just a skill, but a natural part of who you are. So don't stop now. Keep your momentum. Keep your curiosity alive. Let every sentence be another step forward. And always remember, every word you speak today is shaping the person you'll be tomorrow. I believe in you. You're doing amazing. See you in the next video.